So I think all freshman engineering majors should join ESW because it's a really good way to get connected to the upperclassmen and start building those relationships within the engineering program. So I think sustainability and engineering are really important because if we can build stuff and also help to save the planet and have minimal environmental effects, I think that as time goes on, it'll have a very big impact.
If everyone has the mentality that they're all very small and no one changes, well, we're not going to change, right? So I have to do my part, no matter how small it is, to try to be more sustainable.
I actually am a sustainability minor as well, so that's definitely something I'm passionate about and interested in, is being able to combine those two things.
ESW, Engineers for a Sustainable World, is the engineering club. At the end of last year, we decided to make a solar-powered golf cart.
We spent most of the spring semester talking to a few local people.
We're looking for ways to make an impact on campus from a sustainability point of view using our engineering skills.
First semester, we researched a lot about exposure in this area and how much energy we needed to power the golf cart and what we would need to get the energy from the golf cart into the battery and all that stuff.
We had a lot of research to do, but after that, it was pretty simple. We were lucky enough to have a solar panel donated.
We learned about the charge controller we had to buy, and then also the design of finding a place to put that it won't get wet or damaged in any way.
It's obviously going to be used. You know, I've already seen it around campus, which has been really awesome to see our work being actually implemented in the community.